Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we're talking about your PropStream account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you search properties by zip code in PropStream? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to search properties in PropStream by a zip code? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online wholesale business, you know that some buyers or cash contacts that you have will only buy in a specific zip code. So you don't want to waste your time searching neighborhood zip codes. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your PropStream dash. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my PropStream, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to search properties by a zip code, first here in the search bar, you're going to go ahead and type in the zip code you're searching. Okay, once you type in the zip code, go ahead and just click on the zip code. Once you do that, it's going to go ahead and filter out by that zip code. So you can see there's close to 15,000 properties in this one particular zip code. So now you can go ahead and start filtering down these properties. So what I'll normally do is I'll click right here on filter. Okay, so the cool thing about PropStream is they have these automatic lists. So for example, if you're looking for free and clear properties, you can go ahead and click right here. Okay, now you can see that it dropped down to about 6,000, and then you just want to keep layering these in. If you need help building a list, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail, because that's really going to depend on what your goals are. So for me personally, I go through here, property details. I like to work in residential, so I'll go ahead and click there. You can see it drops down to 4,300, and then again, I'll click on single family, so it drops down to 2,689. I'll usually click on MLS as well and choose off market, so no. And then once you've narrowed it down enough in that particular zip code, click right here, view properties. Okay, so here you have your list. If there's still too many properties, you can continue to filter it down. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to search properties by zip code in PropStream, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.